Let's dive into the AI revolution that's quietly reshaping our entire global energy system. To give you some scale, a whopping $2.2 trillion was invested in clean energy in 2025 alone.
But you know, this massive shift needs tools that are way smarter and a whole lot faster.
And that's where AI-first design comes in. It turns messy data into clear, smart actions for teams.
So let's see this in action. First up, city gas distribution.
Here, AI tools can actually predict incidents, figure out demand, and even optimize pipelines.
Okay, next is petrochemicals, where it's all about reliability and keeping people safe.
AI helps them prevent costly failures, find the best feedstocks, and streamline huge projects.
Now for the LNG ecosystem. Things get really complex. One tiny mistake means huge delays.
So AI steps in to route cargo, sort through critical alarms, and keep ports running smoothly.
All right, let's jump over to renewables. Here, the biggest headache is just how variable it is.
So AI tackles that, spotting underperforming assets and suggesting grid adjustments on the fly.
And what about the growing hydrogen sector? Well, it's all about cost, safety, and coordination.
AI helps by optimizing production for cost, making sense of safety data, and balancing supply.
Moving on to biofuels, the name of the game is managing feedstock, yield, and tricky reporting.
AI can literally score feedstock quality in real time and automate all that compliance paperwork. Now for nuclear. The focus here is totally uncompromising. Safety and reliability, period.
So AI helps prioritize critical maintenance and acts like a Copilot for operators, giving instant answers.
And finally, sustainable aviation fuel, or SAF. Accurate carbon accounting is everything here.
To nail that accuracy, AI calculates carbon intensity and manages the super complex chain of custody.
You see, the real magic isn't in any one tool. It's the ripple effect of smarter decisions everywhere.
I mean, just look at this. Better AI forecasting can boost the value of wind power by 20%.
So who's actually building this AI-powered future? Well, these insights come from a company called Accelerocac.
Their whole approach is laser-focused on real, measurable results, using a specialized AI-first model. So, is AI the key? It's looking like it. This isn't just theory anymore, it's making a sustainable future real.